Well, it's been a long time since I've made one of these videos. In fact, you can look around and tell that I've moved. So I've got a whole new house, a whole new setup, been trying to get that ready to go. But I got something really cool I'm going to do to the Raptor today. Amp Research steps, electric steps that I'm going to put on. The guy did a really good job of keeping this all together. Gonna have to replace those wires right there. Got all the bolts. Got the sleeper on the Raptor in the meantime. These are some really big Amp Research XL steps, and they are heavy. So don't think you're going to save weight, but they're the XLs. I'm hoping they'll stick out a little bit with this kind of rock bar look to the side and maybe catch a little bit, but I never really liked these running boards, and I'm going to replace those. It's all pretty much plug and play, looks like to me. This is the controller. The guy said everything worked. Guess you gotta trust that. It happens when you buy on Facebook Marketplace. Plugged right into the ODB port, which is cool. We're gonna see how it works. Changing plans. It's once we started outside, putting this thing right here on, it started raining, so I had to kind of reorganize, pull the truck in, and when you know, about the time I got everything rearranged, it's quit raining. So anyway, Texas for you. We're gonna go ahead and get this one pulled off. Got a couple of bolts off already. Basically, there's 8 bolts on that one, and there's actually 4, 8, 10 here because it's got 4 on each end. Go back, and it's got 2 here in the middle that those steps don't have. So I got 2 out of that before it started raining. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off now. So here we go. Well, there's the damage. You can see 4 bolts in the front, 2 here, 2 flats down here. Actually, this thing, it goes like this, so you get a better idea. 2 up here, 2 coming in from the bottom, and the rear is the same way. Yeah. And even after washing it off, it's still dirty. But hey, it catches a lot of dirt up under there, a lot of mud. And the same 2 bolts, 2 here, 2 here. These are going to be kind of bare. I don't know if these are going to work, because you can see right here that can't get back in there, and like the other one did, like that. So I'm going to have to figure something out there. These will be fine. That's just like I was saying, and that is not going to work if I shorten it. There's no way that works. Okay. Safety glasses, because there's lots of dirt under there. So one of the things we'll have to do is we're going to have to put one of these little clips, just a factory clip, for this middle bracket that doesn't exist on those old ones. Alright, well, that's the driver's side done. I'm gonna jump over there and do the passenger side. There it goes. Works like a charm. 230 pounds. Pretty sharp. Sweet deal.